Welcome back, Charlie here. And we're at a very, very interesting point right now with Bitcoin and the overall market. So I want to point out a few things. So today we're just going to be looking at moving averages. So I put it on the 444 minutes. Then the main ones I'm looking at are the 11, the 66, and the 149. So firstly, let's move down here to this point here towards the start of October. Now, what happened at the start of October? The red, which is the 66, crossed the 149. So the 66 takes the average of the last 66 days or time frames. So in this instance, 444 minutes. And the 149 takes the average of the last 149 units or intervals. So once the 66 crossed the 149, so let's just say once the red crosses the white, it's suggesting we're moving into an uptrend. What happened? The price here was $4,000 and it was towards the start of October. We pushed into an uptrend where the red stayed above the white, all the way up to 20,000. But then when it recrossed, it was 14 to 15,000. So from 4,000 to 14 to 15,000. Once the white crosses the red, it means that we're potentially moving into a downtrend. And the white becomes downward pressure, so squashing. And look what happened. The price got squashed from 15,000 all the way until, boom, let's just say just under 10,000. Now, this is why this is a very interesting time, because all the moving averages, the 11, 66, and 149 are intersecting right here. So let's zoom in a little bit. They're all coming together. Now that means that something is going to happen, and it looks like the red is crossing the white and the green here might bounce up as well. So it wouldn't surprise me if this is the beginning of a very large uptrend. I'm just going to take that away. So it's interesting because from here to here is about 2.5 months. And then from here to here is about 2 months. So we've been in a downtrend for 2 months. So we're looking for March, April, and potentially even May to have a big, maybe it retests there, but that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a big move from Bitcoin, March, April, May, and that's what I'm feeling. And I actually drew this flag all the way back at the start of January. So top, and then I found these two supports here, drew them in, drew the flag in, and then it's literally coiled into this flag. So yes, the moving averages are crossing, which is a massive sign, but also we're coming to this finishing within this coil, so something has to happen here. It's not just going to keep, going along like this. Something's going to happen. And normally, the length of this is potentially the length of the increase, and the increase is actually often more than that. So what the next indicator I'm looking for is volume. That's the only thing that's lacking right now. But I have a feeling in the next few days that the volume is going to come, and once we get confirmation that we're in a bull market, the volume will be massive. So the main thing I've been looking at is these coming together, these moving averages, and they haven't come together for a very long time, 2 months. And now that we're at a critical junction point, and I feel like we're moving up. So it'll be interesting to see when Bitcoin moves up, will the altcoins move up? I've been in the market for about 9 months, and it's interesting. Sometimes when Bitcoin has a big rally for a month or two, the altcoins actually go down, whereas other times the altcoins go up comparatively to Bitcoin. So my guess is that Bitcoin will start off stronger than most, moving up. And then I think when people make a decent amount of money in Bitcoin, maybe it will start flowing into some altcoins. But I would definitely be having some Bitcoin at this stage. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know where you think we're going. And it'll be a very interesting week this week.